Hi, so this is my submission for the AI Hackathon challenge. This is the AI recruiter agent. In this screen, it will accept a job description. In this box here, I'll paste a raw data in text form, and then I can click on Powers with AI. When it is parsed, you see it is filled in a form page with job title separated, description separated, then the skills are identified, and then the years of experience as a requirement. The user is able to edit it as necessary or keep it as it is, and then move on to finding candidates. So here you see progress bar as things go on. Here behind the scene it is loading the candidate profiles that we have in JSON and then matching each one of them with the requirements, generating score and then returning it back. Okay, so here is the output. The output shows you top 5 candidates based on the top scorers. And then for each candidate you have a match score, an interest score, and a final score. If you click on a candidate, you can see detailed in terms of how many skills were a match, the simulated outreach conversation, and based on that, how do the interest signals score on enthusiasm, timeline, and salary fit. And then there is a final score, which is a mix of matching score and interest score. The logic gives 60% weightage to the skill match and 40% weightage to interest match. There are different views up top here. This is a list view. Then you can have a podium view if you want to focus on top 3. You have a scattered view, so 4 quadrants, and of course there is an interest and match score axis. This one allows you to see a bit more nuance rather than just a stack rank. And you may want to focus not necessarily on top candidates. The table view shows you all the skills. So here you have a skill focused view, and then stack rank. Here there is a functionality of saving, liking, or not selecting a candidate and then going further. This is not developed further yet. So yeah, this is the app. Here is my repo, GitHub repo. I have an architecture diagram also, so let's quickly go through that. So yeah, front end is in Lovable. So here it allows you to parse JD, fill the form, and then you can see progress animation. When you select to parse with AI, the parse JD endpoint receives raw data. It sends it to Claude, and Claude will send back the parse JD by extracting those 4 to 5 fields. The front end then sends it to Scout when you select or click on Find Candidates. So that will further go to Claude again, but this time along with the candidate profiles from the pool that we have. So together these two details will be used by Claude to calculate match score, interest score, and final score for each of the candidate, and then return only top 5. So the same thing is then sent back to front end where you see a rank list in different view modes with detailed candidate profile and some explanation behind the scores as well. I also have a README. I made a lot of changes throughout this exercise. I kept to try to kept it as much accurate as possible. So